beef or shrimp? You fucking. So we got the ramen in the fucking stove on the pot, right? But that's not all. We're gonna put some fucking eggs and shit in this bitch, you know, and then we're gonna get some Asian sauce. Let's get some fucking teriyaki, sriracha. What is this fucking? That's fucking white people sauce. We need some fucking soy sauce up in this bitch. Fuck yeah!
Wanna make it in college, acknowledge all the flavors that be dropping mad knowledge on these pussy ass canned goods. We got chicken and beef to boost the manhood. Anybody want a piece of me? We'll have to get this ramen first. Start with the shrimp and then the fire. If you're fully blazed, then the shit'll get you higher. 35 cents a pack, 3 for $1. Unbelievable pricing. That's the future of a blue collar worker. And I'm talking about ramen. The shit'll fill you up when you're feeling like an African. Come back when you're in the state that I'm in and say hi to my homeboy Top Ramen.
So we put some fucking soy sauce and shit, and this is gonna taste like goodness. This is gonna taste like goodness and not like shit. Fuck what the other people say. Fuck all
What'd you just add?
Fucking teriyaki, and I'm gonna add some sriracha. Get that spicy pussy in there. You don't want a mild pussy. You want a spicy pussy. Fuck.
Okay, next ingredient.
All right, next ingredient we got lemon juice, cause it would definitely be in the pantry, not the fridge. Cause fuck what the other people think. All right. Alright, so we got some shrimp flavoring, but we're gonna use some chicken. Cause that's logic, bitch. Tarragon, where the fuck is the tarragon? Fuck it, we'll just use some rosemary. Italian seasoning? No. That's not fucking Asian. I'm a yellow cracker. Not a black. Oh look, there's a tarragon! Yeah, we found it, guys! Oh my god, I like to thank my fucking mother, my dad. Just kidding, he left. Just kidding, I'm not black.
That's what good pussy sounds
So
like.
the first person who finds me drinking a soy sauce packet, well, on YouTube, will get $1. Send me your PayPal account and your mom's credit card number with the expiration date and those 3 magical numbers on the back. Thank you. I just want to put my finger in it.
You're gonna burn yourself.
Oh fuck, I'm making a goddamn mess. Yeah, that's what my mother said to my dad. And then 9 months later. You know what? Let's incorporate a bit danger into this.
Here.
All right. Let's just get some chopsticks and shit. Let's get some pretty steel ones, you know, for our pretty steel friendship in the heart. Sky, I'm gonna come. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh damn.
This was the best idea ever. You know, let's get some fucking rice in this shit. Alright?
Wait.
Don't worry, the countertop is clean. Let's get some fucking rice.
What did you just say?
Some fucking rice. That's what good pussy sounds like.
Scrape the pussy.
Sounds like me 9 months before I was born. Oh.
You should invite Dill over and ask her to taste test. Our one creation.
Oh fuck. Okay. Oh no.
Here's the katana you required.
Oh, thank you. Because, you know, white people use scissors. I'm just like, let's we need one step further. Oh, fuck. Okay, there's yours. I don't try not to get this. Oh, fuck. Alright, fine. Fuck this. I swear. Okay. Okay. And this goes to the little Timmy in the basement. Okay, let's try and eat this shit. Okay, I mean not shit. This is. It looks like a fucking messed up eyeball. What's cooked?
It's good egg.
It is an egg. Tasting this reminds me about how much of a mistake I am. So we reached the end of the video. Time to let me tell you the fucking joke of the day. So hi. A black man walks up to a white man and says, "Hey, what does it feel like to get sunburned?" And the white man says, "The real question is, what is it like to drink water?" Delicioso. You know what? Let's go in for the shot, alright? Let's end up on a good note. Oh, fuck, it's hot!